Hey, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your personal profile for business and how to generate unlimited leads and make plenty of money using your personal profile. So, as the intro video says, my name is Brian Mills, and if you are finding plenty of value from my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button below. So today, guys, we're going to work on personal profiles. I'm going to walk you through what we call a profile funnel and how we use it to generate leads for our business without getting banned. 100%. Okay, so guys, why does a personal profile work so well? Well, if you caught some of my other videos, we talk about the difference between a Facebook business page and a personal profile. Now, yes, I know your nans, aunties, uncles are probably on your personal profile, but they are not making you money. And 9 times out of 10, the people you want to talk to, you probably have their WhatsApp, you probably have a different platform you actually connect with these people on. So what do we do with our personal profile? Do we just leave it there making no money? No, we turn it into a profile funnel. So guys, the PDF on exactly how to do this is going to be in a link below. Okay, the ultimate profile funnel. So guys, I'm going to take you into a screen share. We're going to walk through exactly what consists of a profile funnel and how the hell we make it incredible. Okay, so let's add this to stream. So as you can see, I brought up a friend of mine, Ian. He will not mind me using his profile, but he is using effectively a profile funnel to help generate leads for his business. So what is actually considered to be a good, strong profile funnel? Well, here it is. So the first thing we want to look at, and it consists of a cover photo. Okay, as you can see, it's not him at the beach, it's not him with his kids, or it's business related. Okay, it's a cover photo that is basically going for what he wants. He's got a profile picture where they can see his face and relate to him. He's showing a bit of lifestyle there, which is totally cool. Then obviously you've got your bio and obviously what is going on in there. Then he has his newsfeed. The one thing he doesn't have is something called a feature image, and I'll go on to them a little bit later and show you what they are, mainly because some profiles and some formats don't show them anymore, but they are still a useful tool. So let's go and dive into the cover photo here. So as you can see, obviously he's got things raised. So this is above his picture, and the reason everything you need for your profile funnel and your cover photo has to be mobile optimized. Please remember that. Mobile optimize your profile funnel. So these obviously words, so calling all coaches and consultants. He is basically calling out exactly who he wants to work with. And there's a reason for that. It's attention, right? I want to talk to you. And eliminate your self-created job with a high-performing business system. So now he's going, right, okay, here's your pain and here's how you can get rid of it. And then his call to action. Now, yes, that button is not a hyperlink, okay, but you still use that on your cover photo these days. And the reason for that, guys, is you can see the link here. Okay, so he's got his call to action in his profile, in his cover photo. So to round up the cover photo, he's calling out who he wants. He's telling people obviously what he's going to do for them, and he's giving them a call to action, right? In those 3 things. The only suggestion I would make is anything you want people to see, make sure it's in this vicinity here, okay? Around here, the top middle of your cover photo, because when you move to mobile, your big, it's not a big head, but your big profile picture will cut a bit of it off. So move things up into the top middle of the cover photo for anything you want these guys to read. As you can see, there's a description in this cover photo. So are you a coach and consult? Do you want to be part of a private group where you get access to the most successful in the industry? Join the Coaches and Consultants Cool Kids Club with a link. That link, obviously, then let's open it into a new tab. And wait for it to load. Obviously, that's nice and boring for you guys. I do apologize. I should have opened that prior. Takes you, as you can see, it's moving into the Cool Kids Club group. And I'm going to go back to that later. And as your cover photo, that is the first thing you need to nail down in your profile funnel. Okay, next. Now let's see if he's done it right or not. Okay, so let's come out of that. Profile picture. So let's view his profile picture. So he's basically, boom, straight in his face, okay? People can see him. People can see his lifestyle. So people can relate to this guy. Obviously, it looks like he's on holiday, but I know he actually lives there. So you can see he's showing his face. He's happy. He's got a beautiful background. It's eye-catching. The one thing he hasn't done, guys, and I will obviously let him know, is there's no link in that photo. Why? I don't know. But if you put your hyperlink to the exact same thing, so are you a coach and consultant? Do you want to join that free group? Here's the link. Put it everywhere, guys, to give multiple people the opportunity to obviously click that link. And there's a reason why. Okay, so just before we go into the bio, what I want to remind you guys is, as people, we are naturally curious. Okay, we love to go explore. We love to see what is going on. So if Ian drops something valuable in a group, people are naturally going to click on his profile. People are naturally going to click on his cover photo, his picture, and see who the hell he is. And having that opportunity to have links everywhere to drive people to where you want to go generates leads so well. People have to be doing it. So moving on to the bio. Obviously, now he's basically telling people exactly what he's doing. So from traffic to funnels to close deals, let's talk. So he's telling people, I'm going to help you actually go from generate traffic, build a funnel, close a deal, and he's got the call to action with his link. So people can literally click and book and talk to Ian directly just from clicking on his profile. It's a super easy way to funnel people in, and that's why they call it a profile funnel. A super easy way into getting it. So as you can see, from traffic to sales, let's talk with a link. Cool. Now, nice and easy, tells people what he does, and he does not have his website in here. So I'm going to tell him, well, she give him a little heads up. Oh, let's come off that picture. That picture doesn't need to be there. So as I say, as you can see, obviously the links, obviously in your cover photo, in your profile picture, in your bio, in your feature image, plaster it everywhere. So what we're going to do, guys, is I'm going to go to my profile and show you my profile, show a couple of the differences, okay? Because you can set them up differently, right? So let's go into my profile. As you can see, I'm calling out coaches and consultants. I want people to come to the Cool Kids Club. That is where everyone is going, and where all the coaches and consultants are getting most of the best advice going. Here's my link. Here's what I'm telling them to do. And then there's the link again. So I'm putting it twice and letting people come there. So closing that off as I wait for that to load. And the reason is that there is different ways to do things, guys, but you need to smash out, obviously, getting this. So I've got my cover photo, I've got my profile picture, I have got my link in my profile. So here's the website. Come and join this group. Feature images. Now this can or cannot be on your profile, depending on whether you've still got them. So this is an opportunity, exactly the same. You click on that, there's a link, okay? And then the last thing is the profile newsfeed. This is where you show people exactly how you are the expert in what you want them to do. In terms of what you want, you are the expert, show them. And this is the perfect place to show them you're an expert. Provide content, provide value that works. Okay. So just circling back, guys, and obviously a nice little revisit. If you want the PDF, the free PDF download, the Ultimate Profile Funnel, there will be a link in the description. Please go and obviously download it and implement it in your business. You'll be surprised how well it does, how easy it generates leads for you. Okay, so the roundup is cover photo, profile picture, bio, feature images, and your newsfeed. They're the five things you need to do to implement the perfect profile funnel. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, if you found plenty of value, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and obviously, as you've seen in my call to action in my profile funnel, there will be a link to the Coaches and Consultants Cool Kids Club below, where you can come join us and get plenty of value and access to me on a daily basis. Guys, enjoy.